Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how to make this nice good bundle cake. Very delicious, very easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, the first thing we want to add is 1 cup of butter. And that equals out to 2 sticks. Equals 1 butter, 1 cup. 2 cups of sugar. Okay, we're going to whisk this together until it comes to real creamy. Okay, we're going to put in 3 eggs. Okay, now we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon of salt, sorry, and then you want 1 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, we're going to whisk this together. Okay, we're going to put in 1.5 cups of almond milk. And we're going to whisk this together. Not so fast. Okay, we're going to lift this up for a minute because we're going to put in 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Just gonna put the whole thing in, and then we're gonna whisk this real good together till it creams up. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put our cake batter in here. Okay, what you want to do is spread this around. Okay, we're going to put this into the oven for about 350 for about 45 minutes or until it's done. Okay, we just now pull this out of the oven and we're about to turn it over onto the plate. I had to hold it with the gloves because it's hot. Okay, it kind of tore apart a little bit, but that's okay, it'll still be good. I'm going to put a little bit of promise you it'll still be tasty. Okay, take a look at that beautiful cake right there. Look how gorgeous that looks right there. We're going to come back and do a taste test on this. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this. Look at this nice good almond bundle cake. Oh my god, it's good. So moist, so good. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a blessing day.